Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I'll explain you the notification snoozing on this device. So notification snoozing is the ability to temporarily dismiss a notification and have it reappear later. So let's go to settings. Let me reset it all. In your settings, you want to go to notifications section. Now go to more settings, and here you want to find notification snoozing option, and please turn it on. So after this, let's go to notification notification page. To do that, you have to swipe from the top corner of the screen, the top part of the screen. Find any notification that you want to snooze, and let's tap and hold it until you see this menu, and let's select the snooze option. And then you have to select the duration. It could be 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. Simply tap on one option that is okay for you, and let's tap OK button. And after this, the notification will disappear from your notifications panel, and it will reappear as new and fresh notification when the time limit is over. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.